optometrist because it will give me an opportunity to deal with people's lives and make an impact.
I'm an optometrist because I want this world to appear healthier, safer and better place for the people needing eye care.
Optometry is a healthcare profession that is autonomous, educated and regulated. Optometrists are the primary healthcare practitioners of the eye and visual system who provide comprehensive eye and vision care, which includes refraction, dispensing, diagnosis, management of disease in the eye and the rehabilitation of conditions of the visual system.
Within optometry, there are certain more subspecialties like low vision, orthoptics, contact lenses, diagnostic optometry and pediatric optometry.
In terms of economics, in terms of service, in terms of result, this is the most important area in health delivery system. And
primary eye care is the basic block for prevention of blindness, because if you want to prevent the blindness, you have to nip the evil in the bud.
Low vision. When vision cannot be improved with regular spectacles, medicines or surgery, optometrists provide low vision rehabilitative services like field expanders, telescopes, magnifiers, so that the individual use their functional vision more effectively. Contact lenses are a viable option for active people, athletes and those who prefer the freedom from eyeglasses. Optometrist has the training and qualification to specify and dispense proper lens type like soft lenses, RGP lenses, cosmetic lenses, therapeutic lenses and special purpose lenses.
If we look at the figures from Pakistan, the refractive errors accounts for more than 43% of the total causes of visual impairment, and I believe it is the first major cause of visual impairment in this country. And there is very interesting figures from Peshawar. If we look to the RAP survey, that shows that more than 50% of the population have refractive errors and only 5% have access to glasses. So if we look at the scope, I believe that optometry and the field of optometry and optometrists can play a very vital role in eradicating blindness in this region. But they are also the first professionals who have the contact with the patient, and there are certain systemic diseases like diabetes and hypertension, and these could easily be early diagnosed by optometrists. We are trying to develop the knowledge and skills of the students, and we are conducting many workshops and hand-on training for the students to improve their knowledge.
Orthoptics includes the diagnosis and non-surgical management of squint. Optometrists independently evaluate and treat pediatric and adult patients with eye movements and binocular vision disorders. Pediatric optometry deals with the examination, diagnosis and management of children's eyes. Optometrists are specially trained to treat visual disorders in children. Diagnostic optometry deals with the diagnosis of ocular conditions and associated systemic health conditions, and its reference to the appropriate healthcare professional. Diagnostic procedures like biometry, A-scan, B-scan, FFA, visual field, OCT, HRT, ERG, EOG, ophthalmic photography, IUP measurement and their interpretations.
In fact, the last 20 years have been the most important years for evolution of optometry in Pakistan. Pakistan Institute of Community Ophthalmology gets the credit for this. In fact, optometry is a backbone of ophthalmic care, and optometrists have got a great role because these should be the people which should be delivering the primary eye care, the secondary eye care, and these are the people who will be referring the patients. Now we are going to take another step, and inshallah now we are making the course on international levels, so it should match internationally, and we are making this a 5 years course, and then it will be called a Doctor of Optometry. The WHO recommends one optometrist for 50,000 population. At present, there are only 350 optometrists, and we need at least 2,000 optometrists just in this KPK, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. So you can see that what number of optometrists we need for future, And as the medical sciences evolve, the care is becoming much more specialized in future. So as the time passes by, the importance of optometry will increase rather than decrease. Even at present, we see very high demand of optometrists, and they are just concentrated in Peshawar and few other cities. But we need optometrists in each nook and corner of the province.
It will be at this level, at the primary health level, where you will be creating awareness among community about various ocular diseases. And it is at this level where you will be rehabilitating patients who are visually handicapped and for whom you can't do much. So when it comes to rehabilitation in terms of education for the blind, in terms of skill development for the blind, in terms of financial rehabilitation and employment opportunities, all these things will be happening at the primary level. So this is one of the most important area, and therefore it should become one of the major area for intervention. Quite honestly, 80% of the diseases that the population confront need to be resolved at this stage. Only 20% need to be referred to secondary or tertiary centers. We must have a system of healthcare delivery for all these people in terms of optometric services. And it was in that context that we developed PICO. Fortunately, there are optometrists who are working now at primary level, at secondary level, and in the communities. And they are doing multiple tasks. They are taking care of optical needs of the population at all ages, with particular reference to the two extreme ages, the children who need glasses for their education, and the adults who become presbyope and can't do anything in terms of near work. So they are provided with glasses. But apart from this, they detect many diseases and refer it, and they can also impart a lot of health education. So optometry is doing a very comprehensive service, providing very comprehensive service to the community. And therefore I see a very bright future, not just for optometry, but for the people of Pakistan who have access to this service now.